Hello, beloved family in Christ. We're live here at Jesus Ministry International's very own land, where our church project is ongoing. Our amazing workers are putting in their best efforts to bring this vision to life. We want to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to our beloved General Overseer Rev. Mother Justina K. Dennis for her unwavering support and guidance. Mommy, we love you. Your leadership and prayers have been instrumental in getting us this far. To our incredible church family, thank you for your generous support and contributions. Your finances have been a blessing, and we want you to see how far they've taken us. We're not done yet, though. As you can see, the project is progressing, and we're working towards a big goal. We're hoping to complete our new church home by next year. By the special grace of God to make that happen. We still need your financial support. If God touches your heart to bless this project, please consider donating materials like cement, sand, steel rods, or any amount God leads you to give. Your generosity will be a tremendous blessing. For those watching online, we'd love for you to be a part of this amazing project. You can be a blessing to God's work by contributing in any way you're led by God. We love you so much. For financial contributions, our church account details are on the screen. Thank you for being part of this journey. We're excited to see what God will do through our collective efforts. God bless you all. Jesus Ministry, we move.